Did you know that 4 out of 5 online searches are locally based? Make no mistake, local search is evolving and the demand is growing fast. And get this, local business future depends on its online reputation, now more than ever. Just take a moment and think about the evolution of search. First, there were the yellow pages, then Google. Now it's all about local presence. What's the commonality there? It's ease, convenience, and speed. Are you starting to see the trend here? You better believe more and more folks will be searching locally using their mobile devices as we march forward. The question is, will you be one of the smart ones to pioneer and profit from this trend? Or will you sit by as everyone else already is capitalizing on this opportunity? And the best part, people are shifting locally too with the help of millions of mobile devices. They're searching locally, they are buying more locally, and certainly they are eating a lot within their local area. What types of businesses can benefit from being the first ones to get featured into the 3-pack maps of Google? Each and every type of business. Just think, restaurants, coffee shops, hotels, motels, bed and breakfasts, dentists, and so much more. The possibilities are virtually endless, but none of that matters if you're not the one enjoying those benefits. And let me tell you that 97% of the business types mentioned above are already listed on Google Maps, but most of them are unoptimized or even unclaimed by their rightful owners. This is actually good news for you though, because you get to be the hero of this very story. With our 3-step simple system, you can bank anywhere from $500 to $1,500 or even a little more by helping all sorts of local businesses to claim and optimize their Google My Business page while sending them thousands of new customers and traffic. Just follow the 3 simple step process and let the software do all the hard work for you. Find unclaimed local leads. Our system does the heavy lifting. Generate and download a professional PDF optimization report. Again, this is all done for you. Charge a handsome $497 fee to optimize their business using our done-for-you emails provided inside. That's it. Simple, right? Don't overcomplicate this. Instead, become the hero that these businesses are looking for. It's easy if you use our system. With Mapify 360 platform, you basically get everything you need to start a legitimate local agency with a recurring business model that you've been waiting for. Become the hero business owners have been hoping for without pain or hassle. No guesswork, no cold calling, no confusion on how to help local business. Whether in a rural area, small town, or big city, every small business needs more customers or clients, right? Google Maps and Google My Business is an opportunity no one else is talking about.